Employee expectations have unequivocally shifted. No longer are staff willing to accept a suit and tie pilgrimage to a cubicle farm in some lacklustre area. No. 21st century offices must be sanctuaries that reflect our values, inspire teamwork, and drive productivity. They must be worth leaving home for. Welcome to Angel Square, your new headquarters, an office that works harder for people and the planet. Sitting right on top of Angel Station, the building is conveniently accessible from the Northern Line. It boasts speedy connections with Old Street, King's Cross, Farringdon, and the Overground just a short stroll away. And you can pedal to the city in no time. Stepping into the expansive lobby, employees will be greeted by the smell of fresh coffee from the corner cafe. And for cyclists, there's a dedicated entrance with 340 cycle spaces. Across 7 floors, you'll find 188,000 square feet of meticulously designed air-controlled workspace, each floor with its own leafy terrace. When you get to the end of your to-do list, take in the skyline with a cuppa on the communal panoramic roof terrace. Or for something stronger, head to the restored local before sauntering to Upper Street, aka Supper Street. It's a foodie's delight. Come rain or shine, employees will love getting to know the eclectic, mixed-use neighbourhood, with theatre, comedy, canals, markets and countless cafes. Angel has the vibrancy of the city paired with the charm of its historical village roots. The construction is a testament to thoughtful integration, retaining 80% of the existing structure and embedding sustainability targets as guiding principles. Smart energy tracking, heat pumps, solar panels, and an all-electric design will keep operating costs low, while accelerating net zero strategies. Angel Square is set to be a whopping 45% more energy efficient than the UK's current best practice performance. The building is shooting for BREEAM Outstanding, a holistic rating that reflects environmental, social, and economic sustainability, and WELL Platinum certification, underscoring our dedication to healthy, happy tenants. After it's built, the Neighbours 5-star rating will highlight our commitment to ongoing operational efficiency. Angel Square will stand as a beacon of ESG-focused design, a space where your values, workplace, and employee experience are in sync. A working home to be proud of. Read all about it at angelsquare.london.